fallers have a hard job, man. And just so you know, this guy was in the way, but October until now, I've planted 50 trees on this property. And I've taken a total of 3. Don't feel bad for this little guy. He was having a bit of trouble. Not sure what happened, but his bark wasn't exactly nice. He was really close to this fence here. And I'll buck him up and throw him in the firewood room for next year. Now that I think of it, you see that giant sequoia right there? I planted that about 3 years ago. He's doing pretty good. Never leave your dog outside while you're doing tree work because, well, you know, dogs. So Finn has been waiting patiently in the truck. Hello, Finn. Have you been waiting patiently in the truck? My first tree that I ever fell was in 1996. I was working at Tyax Lodge, which is a heli ski summer lodge up near Goldbridge in Canada. British Columbia, actually. Well, I was actually a chef at the time. And Gus, the owner, he said, "Have you ever done firewood before?" And I said, "Yes." Here's a chainsaw. Go down the road and then fell some dead standing trees and bring them back for firewood. And I said, "You got it, Gus." So I drove down the road. I identified a nice tree, the dead standing tree right beside the road. Easy pickings, I thought. I took the truck, parked it way down the road, as far as I thought would be safe. You know what happened next, right? I started to fall the tree. The tree fell, but then it boinked off another tree and landed right in the tailgate of the brand new truck. And I mean, brand new truck. So it hit the tailgate about there. Yeah, about this thick. Smashed the tailgate real bad. Thankfully, it just barely missed the cab. Back to the lodge with a brand new broken truck. Hey, Finn, do you mind? I'm trying to vlog over here, man. Finn, come here. Okay, sit right, that's good. Sit there, sit down. Can you see him? Oh yeah, there he is. Can you be quiet? Anyway, driving back to the lodge, with your tail between your legs and a broken brand new truck. Especially Gus, he had a bit of a temper. Anyway, he didn't fire me, so that was cool. But yeah, so there's my first ever tree. Broken tailgate. Thanks for subscribing.